Hi guys, this is Shak from Shak's Hacks and welcome to my channel. Before I start the review, please support my channel by hitting the subscribe button below so I can continue to bring you the best and latest gadget reviews. In today's review, we'll be looking at the Soundcore Motion X600 Bluetooth speaker. There is no doubt you've already heard about this, as everyone seems to be talking about it for all the good reasons. The X600 is a fantastic device for music lovers who want to take their listening experience to the next level. Before I dig deep into our review, first let's start with the unboxing. So from left to right, we start with the power button here. There's the Bluetooth button for pairing. There's the Spacial button, which controls this speaker here. It basically just turns it on or off. The bass up button. Here we've got the volume down, volume up, the play, pause, next track and previous track button. Now let's talk about the drivers. So here, right on the top, you'll see that's the Spacial driver. It's full range. So right in the middle here, we've got two woofers, and they are the two tweeters right on the top here. And at the back here, we've got the passive radiator. Let's have a quick look at the design and build quality. The Soundcore X600 comes in three stylish colors: polar grey, aurora green and lunar blue. With its simplistic design, the speaker looks elegant and sophisticated. The metal design gives the speaker both premium and durable looks. The X600 is also a great outdoor companion as it's waterproof rated IPX7, and it also has a sturdy handle for easy carrying. Now let's talk about the sound quality. The Soundcore X600 supports high-res wireless audio using the LDAC codec, which means you can stream your music in high quality without any loss of detail. It also has Bluetooth 5.3, which provides a strong and stable connection. Additionally, the speaker supports TWS for pairing with another X600 speaker to create a stereo sound. Now for the sound clarity. With the two tweeters, two woofers and single Spacial SkyDriver at the top, you get a great stage, crisp, well-detailed sound. If you have FLAC files or any other lossless music, you can enjoy high-res music using the built-in LDAC codec, which is unique to the X600. Make sure you're using uncompressed files formats like FLAC and not MP3s, so you are making the most out of the LDAC codec. The EQ has 9 bands, so it's very customizable and its frequency are accurate. The bass up is a good feature to have, and the spatial sound effect is a function that you can't live without it once you've tried it. The second thing I wanted to mention is the bass. It's so great. It's tight and loud and punchy. I believe there is a passive radiator here which is helping and extending the bass. I'm just going to give you a quick demo. I can feel the speaker shaking in my hand. I'm sure you had that feeling before where you know that it's punching hard and the bass is tight and smooth. For the size of the speaker, I'm not expecting any more bass without the sound getting distorted. So well done on that one as well, Soundcore.
Slow down the bass.
So I've been listening to different genres, and the one that impressed me the most, it was listening to symphonies. I'll give you a quick demo. Of course, it's not going to be as accurate as if you was right in front of the speaker, but let's still give it a try. Honestly, it's impressive. I don't see myself not using that function anymore. The music just becomes live, and it's like you're sat in front of a stage listening to a band or a whole orchestra. It's amazing. Now for the power. With 50 watts of RMS power delivered using 3 amps, this speaker is capable of entertaining a large group of people in a large room. The speaker also has a built-in battery that can keep the speaker running for up to 12 hours.
Up over black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take her on a gap. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease. Big lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a crack in her waist, and we tearing down the space. After looking at me chase, got some needles to the face. Baby, I don't need no space. Come be closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's a sex, dress, no game, but it's so insane. Just in the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. No game, no shame, baby, can't hit a play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs,
Now for the extras. The X600 comes with an aux in, so you can connect it to all devices that don't support Bluetooth or TVs, so you don't have to get sound lags and lip sync issues. The speaker comes with the handy, elegant carry-on handlebar and an app support which provides firmware upgrades, frequency adjustments and lots of other tools and tweaks. Now for the price. The speaker is priced at $199, but you can pre-order it for $150, which is a good asking price for what you are getting. Other speakers with similar specs are priced much higher. You will find a link to the speaker in my description section, so make sure you check it as it will have the latest offers and discounts. Now conclusion, the Soundcore Motion X600 is the speaker to beat this year, and it's been added to the list of my best ever Bluetooth speakers. If you are looking for a great sounding, affordable, powerful and solid speaker, the X600 is the one to go for. I hope that you have enjoyed today's review. Please consider subscribing as I will have tons of more Bluetooth speakers to review. I hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.